video is going to be my Tooly Tuesday video, because I made a Tooly Tuesday video and I got to put some tools in it. But this one's cool. I actually prepared for this one, so you'll waste 10 seconds of your time watching me drink water. What am I doing here? I have a, one of the things I've noticed is everybody has one of these things. And don't get me wrong, they're great. You can grab stuff. They never stay closed. That's why we all own, where is it? That's why we have these. These lock onto things. And, you know, there's also, let me put this down here. There's all sorts of pliers like this. There's this kind. There's needle nose pliers. See, these ones have the little spring in them. There's old school ones that lock like this. See, these are pretty cool. Old ones. Let me put this down some more. Hold on. Yeah, I come prepared. Sure. Okay, there we go. That should be good. You can see them here. And watch me get stabbed with a wire brush here. So anyway, there's all sorts of pliers. I'm sure everybody watching this already knows. There's every plier in the book. There's hog ring pliers. These ones actually stay shut. There's these old school time. There's everybody's grandfather had one of these things. Not other than grabbing flat shit. I've always hated these. There's other kinds of plastic handled needle nose gadgets. There's really old school incarnations of pliers. There's all kinds of shit. There's the locking versions, which you probably watch my channel know I have 6 million of these. There's also the, what are these called again? Channel locks, or what are they called? I don't know. Anyway, there's like everyone from this size to like freaking, I don't know, 2 feet wide. But the thing of this video is it's these ones. These are, they don't lock. Or at least I thought they didn't lock. Until me and my surfability, let me show you what I got here. I found these. This is a, stay tight Lockmatic. Check this weird shit out. Stay tight Lockmatic. What does it do? You put it on here and it stays tight. Look at that. It's a locking plier. Cool, huh? And it unlocks. This is the weirdest thing I ever seen. Basically, it's like you can crimp on it and it stays on. See? I thought it was cool. Look at it. It's one of these that locks. Isn't that cool? I'll show you the. And on here, you push the little touching release there. Got a little spring in there. Right in here is a spring. And it comes out. I'll show you the. It has a little logo on there. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the back part here. It doesn't come out unless you hit the. It's kind of like the I forget what that has a little tab like that. The those big giant what the hell are they? Kind of like the clamps with the little thing on there. Even the little ratcheting clamps have a little bar on it. You just push it and it comes out. See, you push it and it unlocks. It's pretty freaky. Also, it says on this side it says Cargill seeds. How much did I pay for this thing? $7. $7. I was looking up locking pliers and I was like, ooh, that's cool. I thought it was really neat. And like, if you think about it, you know, like obviously, yeah, we all use these, you know, they're a great idea. And I'm not saying these suck, but had I known about this years ago, I would have bought one years ago. I mean, look, you can grab onto something that's not here. Oh, look, just grab a thing. Well, wait, let me open it bigger here. There we go. You can grab onto a bolt. It doesn't have, what do you call it? Vice grip power, but look, it's pretty on there. See? Look, it's you can swing it around. You can actually feel it clink, and then it pops open. I thought this was really cool, and I thought maybe, of course, it's stuck now in the middle here. There we go. I thought somebody would enjoy this. Look at it. It's just a little pops open. It's got a knurling on this side, knurling on that side. The jaws are kind of weird looking, if you ask me. But they see the jaws have this weird, like, you can see it, kind of a circling here. But when you close it, when you close the jaws, they kind of line up here. Maybe you can see that. But, yep. Thought it was cool. Yeah. So anyway, if you're into collecting stupid shit like me, like flyers and shit, you like these locking flyers. And you can go on like that and just, and well, that one didn't work. I gotta open it more, but you get this. You get the idea. So yeah, Stay Tight Corporation, Lockmatic, 707, made in USA, patent pending. Oop, let me see. Put that there. You see that? Very cool. Here's the show you the jaws again. Pac-Man. Anyway, there's the back mechanism. You can see it open and close. Yeah. So there you go. There's my glowing head. Again, turn light off. So yeah, I like this. Basically, it's this flavor with this flavor. Here we go. See, this one doesn't lock, and that one locks unless you push the little button. Something cool I never knew existed until I roamed eBay and found a $7 treat. Thought it was cool. Hope everybody liked this video, just to show you. And honestly, I probably will use this once in a while. It's I mean, in between all the 600 vice grips I own. No, I don't own 600. Work my way there, though. I will get there. I will be, I'll have more vice grips than Arco has hammers. Trust me. Arco, go see it, what do you call it? Go see his channel. It's listed on here. Outlaw Edge Customs. Check the link in my thing. Thanks for watching. Toodles.